Patty Christensen here, hand CRPS lady and the very overweight lady, so I need to do something about it. For some reason, my body has never handled carbs properly. I don't know why. But anyway, so I'm trying to do more proteins and fats. One of the things that I probably need more of is meat because it, kind of helps with my healing. And I'm picky about my meat. I don't like grocery store meat. So we have a butcher. Now, once a year, my husband gets paid part of selling his ranch. He gets paid in cow. So we get that. And then if we run out of certain things, then we go back to the butcher and have him, cut us up somebody else's fresh, local, vegan, cow. So the way I have to cook my steak now is in, what do we call these things? This thing. And because my beautiful oven, my hands gave out and I dropped a glass pan on it and broke the inner glass. And this company Z-Line refuses to give me replacement glass or even the dimensions. They say it's mandatory that I have to buy both all new doors, which I think is ridiculous. Thumbs down to Z-Line for being so wasteful. But so that one, until I can find a local glass guy, that is still not operational. So there we go. That's how I cook my steaks. It actually turns out really nicely. It has a steak setting. The default on the steak setting is 6 minutes here, but as you've seen, those steaks are pretty thick, so I just add a little bit on each side. I do try to keep my steaks rare if I'm not going to eat them immediately, because obviously if I heat them back up, they're going to cook more. Okay, so I remembered the name of the contraption. It's the air fryer. Don't know. Hey, I hadn't eaten yet. But it's actually now my favorite way to cook steak. I like my steaks kind of medium. And that's just running it through the air fryer.